Welcome to Calpe, Spain. Nestled on the stunning Costa Blanca, Calpe is a vibrant coastal town where natural beauty meets rich history and Mediterranean charm. Calpe's Old Town is a charming blend of history and culture, offering a glimpse into the town's traditional roots. Wander through its narrow, cobbled streets adorned with colorful murals and vibrant flowers, creating a picture-perfect atmosphere. Nearby stands the Torreó de la Peça, a remnant of Calpe's medieval wall. Though Calpe Castle no longer exists, its historical significance remains tied to the town's maritime defense. The old town's rich heritage and picturesque setting, alongside small artisan shops and bustling tapas bars, make it a must-visit for history lovers. Peñón de Ifach is Calpe's iconic natural landmark, a towering limestone rock rising 332 meters above the Mediterranean. Often called the Gibraltar of the Costa Blanca, it's a haven for hikers and nature enthusiasts. Its summit offers breathtaking panoramic views, while its surrounding nature reserve teems with diverse flora and fauna. Calpe's beaches are a Mediterranean paradise, boasting golden sands and crystal-clear waters. Playa de la Fossa and Arenal are perfect for relaxation and water sports, while smaller coves like Colla del Morello offer tranquility. With promenades, restaurants, and stunning views of Peñón de Ifach, Calpe's beaches cater to every visitor's dream. Whether you're soaking up the sun, swimming in crystal-clear waters, or trying exciting water sports, it's a beachgoer's dream. From its breathtaking landscapes to its rich culture and incredible cuisine, Calpe is the ultimate Mediterranean escape. When will you visit this coastal paradise?